Team, honestly, the trade is still running. Usually the latest time will be 6 p.m. London time to hit TP. This is hovering right about now around some previous structure in Asia. It's done 3 bounces for a reversal, so it should take me out, to be honest. But it's decent distribution in my trade as well, so it's still balanced right now. I reckon it'll go to the wee hours before it does a massive distribution to the highs or the lows. But even right now, it's trying to press down for the lows again.
Okay.
In the halls where shadows glide, gold peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet thorns entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
Okay, midweek recap. So GJ, to be honest, we're having a look. I did see, so we've got Asia over here, price action starting London session. Price didn't want to touch this key level, or this one. So therefore, I was like, price will move sideways. Why as well is because I've hit these targets yesterday for TP. So I'm expecting price to turn around. But if price doesn't touch the buy side levels, I am not going to enter. So we've got London session caught in this little 46 pip trap. It's come back out now. To be honest, I want major distribution to catch a reversal back down. I don't believe it's going to be, I'm going to go for a buy today. I am just waiting for entry. Let's have a look. Right now, I can see a doji, cool. I'm waiting for an entry. I've still got a bias for a short. I'm in profit as well, so I don't really mind. If I do take the loss, not the biggest issue. Obviously, I still don't want to. But it is what it is. I am in profit and I've been able to grow the account. I've got my first buffer. My first buffer will be, so I've doubled my initial amount. So for example, if I were to lose everything, let's say for example I started off with £100 and now I've doubled it to £200. If I were to lose £100, then I've still got £100 back, do you know what I mean? So while I've got some profit, I'm not going to turn around and say, okay, cool, let's start withdrawing funds or what have you. Just making sure we've got an extra reload. The last thing you want to do when you start trading is having to stop. Usually for myself, when I have to stop is because I've run out of funds and I don't have an extra pot of gold. So 2.0, better me, better perspective, better strategy towards making more money in the market on a yearly or on an annual perspective. That's what I realized I could tweak, so that's what I've decided to do. When I started trading for an income, so I didn't really value trading as a long-term investment vehicle at all. It was strict, what can I make today? So it's where my bad habits are. So yeah, going on a hourly time frame, going on a weekly time frame. I'm looking for some key levels. I've got a key level so far. 731 pips. I doubt price will move up here in a day. So I'm going to look for a higher probability or confluence to show me that I haven't missed the move. Because right from New York Open, price has just rallied. And it's rallied off yesterday's high. I don't like to trade off yesterday's high. Or like off highs and lows. Especially as a continuation. So I'm watching it now. It could be that I've literally just gone against the move. But again, my trusted strategy and playbook has always earned me an income since declaring or being in profit hasn't swayed me. So I will continue trusting the process and all these things. That's where I'm going. So here I'm just looking at a gap in price right now. Is that about right? Nope. So today. Yeah, super duper techie, doing it all off my phone. Okay, so looking for this gap in price. I've seen it. If price rallies more, that's what I would like, to be honest. I want major distribution, but to be honest, whatever is issued is whatever I'll trade. Cool, we got a few wicks to the highs. A little sign of a reversal. How many pips is that? 21. I mean, whatevs. If I go for the short here, let's say, how many pips is that? Can't see. 57. I mean, I'll take it. So, let's see. That price now, what I want to check is how far am I from entry? 11 pips. Okay, cool. So this means I should perhaps stay around the chart now, because I am in the middle of about to make some food, but it means I should most probably stay around the chart and watch for entry, because a candle can definitely be 10 pips. Just gonna watch it now. My day in the life would be funny because I'm literally just walking around my gaff. Ugh, groggily. I'll probably show you guys some videos. In fact, the cooking will be a bit loud, but just thinking it would probably be better for you guys to understand and see for the visuals. The lifestyle. I feel like, or I've always felt like, the lifestyle thing is showing off. But now I also see it as motivation. Because, well, I mean, I feel like obvious, but the way people get up and go to work and what have you, and, you know, they go through the hustle and bustle. Me personally, I don't see the world unless I choose to, do you know what I mean? and it is definitely a reality. Yes, I am special, but I am human, so therefore you can achieve it too, you know what I mean? I am special, I am amazing, and all the other synonyms. Yes, I am. But no, you got this too, definitely, for sure. Still watching Price. Got a minute left. Come on now. Might even start getting down the reactions route at this point, man. The amount of time I spend on YouTube, I don't know what is going on. I just listened to some crazy Roblox stuff. I didn't know how dangerous this game was. My goodness. Definitely need to have your antennas on, any of my parents. Definitely need to have your antennas on, man. These games are crazy. And you know what? Yeah, the guys that be committing the crimes do look like the stereotypical beta guy. It's crazy, like, regardless of the stereotype, you still need to be aware. Like, for example, myself, now that I've got my beard, interactions with people, like clients, different. Yeah, they still have their wits about them, regardless of the stereotype. Palaver, people act like they don't have any stereotypes, whatnot, or they don't stereotype. All right, cool. Wasn't an entry. Cool. So I'm watching Price now. It's gone through the gap. 3 minutes left. So I see it and I like it. I'll execute. That's what like. You could just use it as a base of support to turn around there. But yeah, I'm gonna hit it algorithmically as well. Don't mind the loss. So I'm happy to see by 3 o'clock how this all ends. It's a decent algorithm. Also, we've got yesterday's high here. So price could easily just come down here and then reverse and take us out, which is crazy because this has a very high probability, and then it would be a rubbish risk reward. So to be honest, it's not the most highest or A+ setup as they call it, but I'm still gonna take it anyway. Look at all of this distribution I'm missing. This is 17 pips, 17. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a crazy one. We'll see. Cool, so I've got my entry, boom, stop loss, take profit here. To be honest, I'm surprised it's crashing down. I really feel like this is gonna turn around and reverse. I'm gonna give it 15 minutes. I'll see you on the other side. Cool, so candle's just closed, hitting a weekly OB. Interesting, don't know what it's gonna do, don't know if it's gonna reverse or if it's going to thunder. Obviously I want it to thunder. It's interesting price action, like whoever the geese who issued this algorithm, like I just can't wait to see how this ends. If I make the shmoney in this one, I'm going to laugh my head off. absolute laugh my head off, and it's going to be a true testament to trust in the process. But let's have a look. Yeah, this looks right now. Reversing off this, it should move off. I'm predicting a second high before crashing. Do you know what I mean? This crazy thunder, to me, is the manipulative move. But let's see. I'm still playing the strategy. I don't care. So I'm just adjusting my stop loss on this bad boy as price has moved down into profit. So now I'm only risking 50% of my initial risk. So that's better. In regards to this trade, I'm not too sure. Yeah, it's cool. This releases a bit of pressure going into it or what have you. Up a couple of pips, let's have a look. $9.5. Let's see how we go. So I think we're going to be taken out now. You can see price filling in this gap here. After that, now I'm assuming price should head up and take us out. Very, very odd price action, but to be fair, we've got a standard, we've got a stop loss, a dynamic stop loss in place, so it's not too bad.
In the halls where shadows glide, gold peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet thorns entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
Okay, midweek recap.
A whispered trade